Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set your notification sound in your Realme phone device. Means guys, you want to set your notification ringtone in your Realme phone, so you can set. Guys, now let's see how to set notification ringtone in our Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, now let's start the video guys. First of all, open your phone setting to set your notification ringtone. Then guys, scroll it. As you can see your sound and vibration settings, so guys tap here and guys again scroll, and as you can see your notification sound, so guys tap here. So as you can see there are many notifications, as you can see electronics. As you want more notifications, so as you can guys, you can be Realme Jungle, Simple, Twins, Joy, Twinkle, Fun. So example we will take this one. So as you can see the circle, so guys tap here and guys again tap. So guys, you can see guys your notification ringtone will set into fun. So I hope friends you have understood how to set notification ringtone in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now guys, we will meet in guys next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.